And that question is, what is a daily chart?
What is a daily chart? So, all right. So charts come in different time frames. And a daily, and whatever time frame it is, each candle, these are candles right here, each one of these guys represents whatever time frame chart it is. So a daily chart, each candle naturally represents a day. An hourly chart represents an hour, weekly chart, week. Very simple. The reason we focus on daily charts is we want to focus on larger time frames so we can capture the bigger parts of the move without getting too focused on noise. Noise being intraday movements. I'll look at 30-minute, 5-minute, hourly charts throughout the day, but the way I construct my ideas is completely based on daily and weekly charts because I want to capture moves on the larger time frames, and then maybe I'll look at smaller time frames to find entries. Like Bennett was just talking about that huge monthly resistance level. He's looking at the last 5 days as a way to maybe sneak into the trade on really low risk. So that's why we're looking at smaller time frames. But daily charts are where we find all our setups, and that's where you need to focus the most amount of your time when you're trading and looking at these charts, daily charts.
Yeah, and I think just going off that, if you're trying to, and again, people always have a difficulty initially finding how to find a daily chart. And if you're using TradingView, which is the main charting system that we use, on the bottom of that screen, your bottom left-hand corner, you're gonna see 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, 3 months, 6 year to date. You click 1 year, and that's gonna basically show you the daily chart for the last year of trading. And if you just click that 1Y, it shows you the year, you start scrolling through your watch list, you'll be going through the daily chart of every single name on your watch list. And then from there, you'll spot, like Shake said, the bigger pattern first, and then you can zoom in and find the tighter pattern on a smaller time frame, where the new trader typically does this in reverse. They'll look at a 5-minute bull flag and not realize that the name is bear flagging on the daily, about to break down to new lows. This is why we focus on the daily, the bigger picture first, and then we zoom in, where the new trader typically does reverse. They zoom in too much and they don't take into account the bigger picture.